Welcome to Create Income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income coach. Today, here we are on a beach recently reopened during the COVID-19 crisis. People are practicing social distancing, so the governor is allowing the beach to remain open. This morning, there are a few souls out here to get some sun, some breeze, and some seawater. Some call the seawater the best doctor there is. The sea minerals are very healing. So, as we help you to learn to create income for yourself in this age where there are no jobs, the first rule of thumb is to create a daily routine that supports you and keeps you creative. It keeps you open-minded, that keeps you forward-thinking, that keeps you open to potential earning opportunities. For me, that lifestyle includes a morning swim, fresh air, breathing in fresh air. Also, remember that some of the best things in life are free of charge. No matter where you live, you can take a walk, a jog, a bike ride. You can just find a spot and sit quietly and breathe. Some of the best things in life are free. I challenge you, make a list. Think of all the free things that you can do. You alone, you with company, you with a family. Make a list of all the things you can do absolutely free of charge. I think you'll be surprised at how much is available to us. So money is not the only way to have exercise. We all love to go to the gym, but you can stay fully fit and exercise without a gym. There are lots of free spaces and things you can do right from home to keep your fitness level where you prefer it to be. So you want to create a daily routine. Start your morning in a way that allows you to think about possibilities, to release financial fears, and focus on future. Focus on how can I create some income today? Who should I call today? Who should I reach out to today? Which of the creative ideas you've made a list of should you take some action steps toward implementing today? So, free things early in the morning, relaxing your mind, releasing the fears, exercise. It's also important to eat well. No matter what your budget, drinking water, staying hydrated, and eating as well as you can, those things will keep you strong enough to continue to be creative in your ways of thinking and things that you can do to become active today towards stepping towards some income coming into your life. The other thing is to schedule time in a space, the same space each day. Schedule your time that you're going to work. Right now, working may be simply adding to your list of your natural talents, gifts, and abilities. Working may be writing a book. Working may be scheduling Zoom contact meetings to present your ideas and your product ideas to prospective buyers. Make a set time in your day each day to work right from where you are, wherever you are, and keep that schedule. You may only schedule an hour, maybe an hour and a half. It doesn't matter the length of time. What matters is that you have a focused time that you're dedicating to work today that's going to help you create income. And then I want to remind you that it's also important each day to celebrate your accomplishments. Celebrate, first of all, you're alive. You're here and you're alive. That means you have hope. As long as we're alive, we have hope. Celebrate being here. Celebrate whatever accomplishments, no matter how large or how small. Perhaps you added 2 names to your list of prospects to present your business idea, concept, or product to. Perhaps you were successful at creating a new recipe to eat on less money per day. Celebrate some accomplishment each and every day. Know that even small progress is progress. Those baby steps, you'll be amazed how they will total up. And one day you will look up and look back and say, my goodness, how did I get out of that? How did I come out of that? How am I standing? And it's because you take those baby steps in faith, believing that you'll make it. I am here to tell you, this is not my first time through a serious crisis where there were no jobs. And right now, today, I live on this Caribbean island. This is a beach I come to every morning. Yes, someone who was broke and homeless. I now live on a Caribbean island. Not because I'm super, not because I'm great, but because of these very small things that I'm sharing with you from the Create Income with or without a job. Go to our website, download our audiobook. It's only $12.99. It's a quarantine price. It's an immediate audio download. And important, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Create Income Coach, because all of the videos are teaching and instructional videos, teaching you how to do everything that is in the book. We want to be your support. We want to help as many people as possible to walk victoriously through this journey of learning to create income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income Coach.